have to apologize for the quality of this Tacticam video. I had the camera mounted on the end of my gun, and while we were adjusting for the shot on this bird, I stuck the end of the barrel right in the underbrush, and you can see him coming in on the lower right. And when I went to make the shot, I had a leaf right in front of the camera. Take a look. Nice beard on him. He's a good bird. Yeah, it's a good bird. Nice job, bro. Nice. Been a pretty busy morning for me and Mark. Got set up first thing this morning on a time up in a tree. Mark put us probably 30 yards right underneath this bird. Unfortunately, when a hen flew down, he took off right after, and we weren't able to get on him. A short while later, we had another time gobbling up behind us, gobbling his head off, and Mark and I went after him. We seen him out in the field. They just couldn't get him to come in. I went back to the truck and shed some layers because it's warm out, and heard a couple birds gobbling up on this big ridge we're up on, and we took off after them. Mark put the sneak on with us, and we ran him down. Well, we got him. Now, Mark, there he is.
Can't stop the flop.
Come straight in. That was probably. Nice bird, a nice beard on him, got some nice spurs. Nice time. We were bellied up right on this knoll right there, just in front of that deadfall, right on that little knoll. We were bellied down on our stomachs, and not gonna lie, I'm pretty sure I put a good shot on him. It was about a 150 yard shot, but I made it. And we started way up over on the other ridge line across the road there. It's kind of hard to see it from here, but we're way up on the top of this hill. Quite a ways up. We was over on that other hill this morning. Did some running and gunning, huh, Mark?
Yeah, baby.
Did some mountain goat action too, man. That's for sure.
Running some ridges.